Hey there. So, let's talk about a little linguistic problem that can happen with the Greek letter eta. As you may know, eta is typically long by nature in Greek, but there are some cases where it can be short. The challenge presented was the inability to find a Unicode character that represents this alternate short form of eta. Now, onto the solution. The Unicode for this particular character isn't a single point, but a combination of two. By using the Greek small letter eta with the code 0x3b7 and adding the combining Breve with the code 0x306, you get the desired representation of a short eta as shown in the image shared eta. In summary, we delve in the interesting world of Greek typography, exploring the nuances of the eta character. By combining two Unicode points, we unlock the solution to representing the short eta in specific contexts. I hope you found this dive into linguistics both informative and intriguing. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts because feedback is like the Breve that adds that extra touch.